Pizza time? Is that a show? Pizza time? It should be a show. Today we're making a deep dish pizza, and I am from New York. So my friends are probably mad at me for saying this, but deep dish pizza is just as delicious as any other type of pizza. And on top of that, it's so much easier to make at home. It's so much easier than regular pizza. You don't have to deal with the peel and the stone. I mean, it sucks. Honestly, it sucks, and you know it sucks. So today I have a solution for you. Deep dish pizza. All you need is a cast iron pan. If you don't have one of those, then I can't help you. I'm sorry, but you should get one because cast iron pan's amazing. That's what we're doing today. And if you don't like deep dish pizza, you should try it. I think it's got the same stuff as a regular pizza. Same ingredients. It's like math. It's gonna be just as delicious. So what's the difference between a deep dish pizza and a kind of a standard, let's call it the emoji style pizza? There's a few differences. There's the obvious one you cook in a pan. The other one that is a little bit more important is that you're putting your ingredients on the other way. So you're starting with your toppings on the bottom. So they're not really toppings anymore. Isn't that crazy? I mean, they're not. How does a pizza topping not become a pizza topping when you don't put it on top? So what do you call it? I don't even know. I feel so sad right now. I just realized that. I do live in New York. I live in Harlem. And that is the sound. It's the sound of street sweeping. It's not the sound of pizza being made. My philosophy when it comes to pizza is to use really high quality ingredients and to keep it simple. So we have really good flour. We have really good tomatoes. I mean, this is the time to splurge on those good tomatoes. Now, tomato sauce on pizza is a controversial topic, but I strongly believe that there is a right way to do it. And I think what that is to use a very good quality tomato, blend it, and just add salt to it. We have d.o.p tomatoes from the Naples area, and it's great. You're not even gonna cook it. It's gonna cook in the oven with the pizza, and it's gonna be a perfect sauce. Good tomatoes really shine here. We're gonna do some tatatine sausage. We've got broccoli rabe, the greatest vegetable. It is the greatest vegetable. And if you guys haven't tried it, this is a great chance to try it. And if you don't like it, I am so sorry. Mozzarella, a mixture of pecorino romano and Parmesan to kind of add the salt. That's really what it's for. And then we're gonna put our tomato sauce on top. And then it goes into the oven. And that's it, you ask? Yeah, that is it. That's all you have to do. Then you take it out of the oven and you eat it. I don't even take it out of the pan. I get in there with scissors, guys. I use scissors. And then you just put the pan in the fridge when you're done. And then you take it out and you eat it. I mean, right? Should I mention that I am a pizza chef? Maybe it doesn't matter. I am a pizza chef though, technically. So we're gonna start by adding 1.5 cups or 225 grams of all-purpose flour into our mixing bowl. We're also gonna throw in 150 ml of water, 3/4 teaspoon of sea salt, and 1 teaspoon of active dry yeast. Then we're gonna use a dough hook, and we're gonna mix for about 8 minutes. We want the dough to form a solid ball and to pull away from the walls. Set it aside for a couple of hours. So here are beautiful tomatoes. This is a 28-ounce can of San Marzano tomatoes, and we're gonna just put it into a bowl and add 1 teaspoon of sea salt, and then we're gonna blend it. Time to do our broccoli rabe. Get rid of the bottom, chop it up, and bonus points if you wanna do a pan roast. But raw, totally fine. A couple of hours have passed and our pizza dough has gained about double its size. This is a great moment to preheat your oven to 425 degrees. You gotta take the jewelry off. Turn it out onto a table. You wanna roll it into a ball. You can do this, guys. You can do this. We're gonna take the same plate that went on top, cover it with flour, put the seam side down of the pizza ball onto the plate, and then role reversal. We're putting the very same ball on top. Now you have to let this rest for about 30 minutes. It's time to make the pizza. Flour your surface heavily. Go big, guys, go big. Use lots of flour. Seam side up. So we want to flip it upside down. I like to use my fingers right at the beginning to create some like divots in the dough. I find it to be easier. And then one hand flat, the other hand tilted up. And I'm gonna use those two hands to stretch this dough out. If this looks like too much, use a rolling pin. It's gonna work, guys. The rolling pin, it's a solution to a problem. So just use that. Enter the pan. You wanna put a little bit of olive oil on this. You're gonna stretch your dough over the top. That's it. This is the funnest part. Have fun, guys. We're gonna do our sausage. Just kind of put those little nugs around your pizza. Next, broccoli rabe. Now it's cheese time. Mozzarella first, Parmesan grated over the top, Pecorino grated over the top. And to me, pizza is not pizza without a little chili flake. So this is actually a smoked chili, but chili flake, anything you want, put it on there. You like oregano? Get that oregano out. Now just really make sure your dough is pressed up against the sides of your pan before you add your sauce. We're just using a ladle. You can just totally dump this in, guys. Just dump it in if you want. Olive oil around the edges. Now you're gonna throw it into your 425-degree oven. Literally just put the pan in the oven and then take it out when it's done, when it looks delicious. And that's all you have to do. You just have to wait until it looks delicious and then take it out of the oven. Just look and think, oh, I want to eat that. And then take it out of the oven and it's done. No timers, nothing like that. Okay, it took about 20 minutes. I want to taste this. So I'm going to taste this. Oh, that's so good. I wish I'd put myself in there and then I could eat my way out. Just use scissors. It's far better this way. So I hope you guys enjoyed that. And I will see you soon, very soon.